Yesterday the gold has reached a support level 3135.61 and the price has gone slightly below that, around 3118. We can see that as support level, and then the price has reversed, retraced back up, going above the first resistance 3169 and also above the second one 3200, which is a great information for the bulls, which means this area is bullish, which means a demand zone where the buyers are waiting and pushing the price higher. We can see that the price has closed the day above this area of resistance, currently acting as a support, and the price is stopped in between this resistance and this support, which means the price is in between, which means the price needs to get in some of the directions. It will not stay here for a while. Now if we go from the yesterday, what has happened, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what the price has done yesterday. The price has reached this area of support, making a bearish breakout, going further down and reaching 3125.55 as support level. It is a 4-hour time frame support level. If you have watched yesterday analysis, I have mentioned that on the 1-hour time frame there is a potential that the price reaches 3113.18, but we can see the price has reached very close to it, and then the price bouncing back up. In the yesterday analysis, I mentioned that there is a potential that the price reaches this support level, but also having a wick going further down, reaching the lower levels, and this is the price has done just that. So we can see that yesterday the price has formed a rebound from this area of support, and the price continued to rise in value. Yesterday, inside the premium analysis, I have shared this bullish breakout here with the target here, and the next bullish breakout also after that, target here. These two bullish breakouts were successful. Inside the premium analysis, the traders has received this information with the take profit level, and it was a profitable one. After that, the price has formed again bullish breakout. We can see that, and it has cleanly reached the next target level, a resistance level, and the price continued to rise in value. What we can see currently, the price has bouncing from this area very close to this resistance, currently down, going further down, we can see, and also on this 1-hour time frame trying to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, below 3221.36, targeting again the next support level, which will be 3200. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout. Usually the price tends to return back down to that area which has been broken. In this case, this is the support, so I'm expecting the price will reach this support, and then we'll see probably bouncing from this area of support. Now today is the Friday, which means usually the traders get out from their trades at the end of the day, so there is a potential that the price could bounce from this area of support, but also making a bearish breakout. So be cautious about this, and also I'm usually staying away from trading in the afternoon because I would like to stay alive in the market and not lose everything. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is got down to 3200.53. This is the support level, and this is the target I'm expecting that the price will reach today for sure. This is a small area, and from there is potential, and also I'm expecting high probability that the price will try to make a retrace. But in any case, I'm waiting and also following the market, not chasing the market, so I will see what the price will do around this area of support. Will it make a bearish breakout going further down, or it will return back up and try to make a bullish breakout above this one? This is something that I'll watch closely, and also inform the traders inside the premium analysis when this happens, and so they can also receive again a breakout with the potential target, which could be a profitable one. Also, there is other symbols that I will share with them, so feel free to check that and join the premium analysis if you like to receive these updates like I have just explained. Now we can see on the 1-hour time frame the price is trying to tries to move down, so this is something that I'm expecting that the price will do, and highly probable the price will reach this area of support, this small one, 3207.42. After that, we'll see what the price do. So I'm waiting for the market to see where the price will go, and after that react and also follow the market. Currently it is the end of the week, and this is the final day, and we can see on the weekly time frame it is a very important information that the price do not go below this area of support. If the price closes the week below this will open again an area for the price to move further down in the next week. But let's see how this day will close and how the price will react currently around this area of support. That's all for this week, for this day, sorry. Happy trading, and see you next time. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.